Hey guys, Shirley here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be organizing all of the clothes that go in our dressers for the entire family. I was backed up on some laundry, so I thought now would be the time to give the KonMari method a try. So I did all my laundry. I pulled all of the clothes out of every dresser in our house, and then I began to sort them by type. So shirts, pants, you get the gist.
You better turn up. You better be.
So for pants like leggings or pajamas, you want to fold them in half. Then you want to make sure you tuck that crotch in, bring the bottom all the way up to the top, and you're going to fold once, twice, and again. If you get it to stand, you're good.
When I shake, watch me rocking if I can't stop.
Thicker pants are pretty much the same thing. Fold them in half, smooth out the wrinkles, tuck in the crotch. The big difference is when you pull the legs up to the top, you're going to stop just above the waistband, and this time you're only going to fold it twice. So 1, 2, done.
Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up, turn it.
So for the shorts, you're going to use the same method as like soft pants. And you'll notice I used bins for all my pants. I didn't even need them once I put them in the drawer. They stood fine. But gym shorts kind of have a silky material, so I did use it for those.
Turn it up, we got this.
So for short sleeve shirts, you want to have like an imaginary line going down the middle and fold one side over to that imaginary line. Fold your sleeve over. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to make sure all your wrinkles are smooth out. It's like a really big deal. And then you want to bring your bottom all the way up to the top. And then you're going to fold down once and again. And you're all set.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time. That's all right.
Okay, so tank tops are super easy. That imaginary line, fold it in again, bring your top to your bottom, and then once and twice.
I'm starting to get used to it. Think I'll survive.
Same thing for camis, except you want to tuck your little strap in and then go from top to bottom and then fold it once.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we're wrong.
Okay, on to long sleeves. Same as short sleeves, except you're just going to fold your sleeve down and do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to fold it up and one more time. And I didn't have my wrinkles smoothed out. There we go.
I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the...
Okay, so pajama sets. Adult pajama sets I feel are a lot more difficult than the kids, but you're gonna put your shirt facing down, put your pants on top in the middle, and then you're gonna fold one side over, and same thing like long sleeves. You're going to, put your sleeve down, and then you're gonna take your collar, bring it to the waist, and then you're going to lift it up and tuck those pants right inside. Now, I didn't have to do this part with the kids, which I think makes it a lot easier, but with the adults, I had to flip it over at least, or fold it over once, and then I could get it to stand. Okay, on to baby clothes. Onesies are really easy. You're just going to tuck the sides in. It's kind of the same way that you would with a short sleeve shirt, except you're going to bring that diaper part up and then once and twice. So for feety pajamas, you want to have the front face down, and it would have been easier if I had the collar on the top and the feet on the bottom, and you'll see why later. But you want to take your sleeves and fold them in, and the sides you'll tuck those in a little too. Then you're going to take the feet, bring them up to your sleeves, and you'll see here I ended up having to take it and flip it, and that's why it would have been better if I started the right way. And then you're just going to fold them in thirds. For longer socks, you want to fold them in thirds, and for shorter socks, you just fold them in half.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
So this may have taken me over 9 hours to do, but obviously I'm not going to be doing all of my laundry at the same time. But this is what my husband and I's dressers looked like before I did this, and this is what they look like now. You guys, this is so worth it. It looks so nice. I can see everything, and I've already been using this for a few days, and it's working out so well. I can grab things. The rest does actually stand up, and I didn't think it would. I was really hesitant to do this because I just thought whatever, they're going to fall over. But they didn't, and I love it. I want to get rid of the baby's dresser, so I showed you what her dresser looked like before, and I thought I'd show you what her closet looks like because now I'm able to put everything she owns in her closet. All of her clothes are in here, and I can get rid of the dresser out of her room. Now that she's climbing, it makes me a little nervous to have the dresser in there, so I'd rather just get it out, and now I can keep everything in her closet. My boys do all their own laundry, from sorting, washing, drying, folding, so I didn't think they'd be on board to learn a new way to fold their laundry, but after seeing their drawers, they were just like, "Mom, you have to show me how to fold the Marie Kondo way," which I thought was pretty cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely don't forget to do so. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and also hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.